Alright, so let's begin with the practice test. Okay, this is a section one. Section one is called space. Okay, is humanity running out of space, or will we find new frontier? As population grow, people have to look for more innovative ways to provide space. Alright, it's all about the living space. Okay, so now let's have a look at the question first. So question number 1 to 4, section B, C, D, and E, you're going to have to match with the heading. Section A has been done as an example. Heading number 5, it's an expanding population. So all you have to do is read the list of heading, underline the keywords, okay, and try to find try to predict what kind of information you will find underneath those headings. Number 1, how the problems of land scarcity has being overcome in the past. So in the past, how people try to solve that problem. Number 2, various predictions about future solutions to a lack of space. So there's predictions, more than one. Number 3, effects of population growth on land availability. So population is growing, so as a result, we need more land. 4, the importance of the New British Library. And 5 has already been used. 6, a description of a megacity. So they will describe what a megacity looks like. Okay. And number 6, a firm belief that human habitation of outer space will occur. I mean, we call it space colonialization, or people living in space. That will happen. It's a firm belief. Number 8, the importance of having an international space station. So you've got to try to match with the 1 to 4. And move it on. Okay, so get filled. No more than 2 words. Okay, the movement of rural people to cities. Okay, rural movement of rural to urban. It's what? Okay. And land is now a very blank. So it could be a noun, or it could be an adjective and noun as a result of growing demand for space. And the feeding of human race will perhaps the food for the human race will perhaps be guaranteed or promised by changes in what? Okay. And besides the demand of accommodation, okay, to build on, it's like to live, land is needed for various, so it's got to be a plural noun here. All right. And after that, number 9 to 13, true, false, not given. Or sorry, yes, no, not given. Number 9, the destruction of land for food and firewood. We need food, we need firewood, so we destroy the land. So as a result, what happened? Desertification. The land has become like desert, okay, because of the food and because of the firewood. Okay, and number 10, shortage of space has also led to underground building constructions. Okay, number 11, the building of the airport in Japan costs much more than that of the housing complex, underground housing complex, okay, in Dubai, okay. And number 12, Arthur C. Clarke was the only person to predict, Like I said, you don't have to read detail, because here there's like various prediction. See, it's got to be more than one, so you don't even have to read to get the answers. Alright, so Arthur C. Clarke was the only person to predict that mankind will inhabit other parts of the solar system. Number 13, the concept of habitation of our outer space by mankind is unimaginable, okay, unthinkable. Alright, so let's give it a try.